I'm Kent Fuca, the founder of Quarium in Austin, Texas. And today I'll give you a brief demo of the sampler for our StepWise Virtual Tutor. You use the web address that we send you in the instructions, along with the school ID that you'll need to use to register. Register using the register button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be given a password that you'll need to remember and write down, and then enter all that information from the registration here on the login page. Click Login. And what you'll see is we've provided a set of topics across pre-algebra, algebra, and calculus that you can try out in the virtual tutor. Pick a topic. You'll see one or more problems for that topic. Click a problem to launch it in the tutor. I see the problem I want to work at the top, some white space where my steps will appear as I enter them one by one in the input, the place I enter my step, and a soft keyboard at the bottom that I can use to create my steps. I can also use the hard keyboard connected to my computer, and I can mix hard keyboard and soft keyboard in my input. If I don't know how to do this calculus problem, I can click Get Hints. I'm shown a series of progressively more specific hints every time I click. So the integral of a sum is the sum of integrals. And if I click again, I actually get given the first step to enter, and I can use the soft keyboard. Integral of 3 cosine 5x dx minus the integral of sine of 2x dx. So I think that's right, so I'll submit that as my first step, and indeed it is. I'll then ask for another hint. I'm told the integral of a constant times an expression is constant times the integral. Well, I've got a constant here, so I'll highlight it. On my keyboard, I'll cut and paste that to move it outside of the integral symbol, and we'll submit that as our second step, and it's right. I'll ask for another hint, and I'm told the integral of cosine ax with respect to x is sine of ax over a. Well, if I take that literally and put in sine of ax and put that over a and submit that as a step, I'm told that's wrong. If I'm not sure why, I can ask for hints. I'm told a and ax are not variables in the problem. So I'll go clean that up at this point. Type in a 5 here, highlight that, type a 5 in the denominator, submit that as a step. And now I'm back on track. Get some hints. I'm told the integral of sine is negative cosine. So I'll put negative cosine of 2x over 2 and enter that. Now what's left? Ask for hints. Oh, I'm told I got to remember to add the plus c and enter that. Well, now I'm done. I had one error, 7 hints, took me 155 seconds. I got 0 gold stars, which is a little trick that we have to encourage students to persist. I can close the problem and try another one, or I retry this one to show you this other button up here called Show Solution. When you click it at any point in working the problem, it shows you turn-by-turn directions from wherever you're at in the problem to the final answer. And then I can follow along and enter my steps, and these directions will get updated after I enter each step. If I want to give feedback, I can click this little bug icon here, come in, type my feedback, and click OK to submit. After I've worked a problem, I can come back and see my solution the same way an instructor might see it in an instructor dashboard. So thank you for taking the tour. I hope you'll try some problems and give us some feedback on what you think. Thanks for watching.